buddies. Hello YouTubers, subscribers and friends, welcome to my channel. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. Look at the clouds. My wife says it's supposed to rain again today. It is 41 degrees. Look at all the dew on my car. I actually parked it right here so I could warm it up. I had it parked out here last night because we had the 45 mile per hour wind gust that broke my awning here. Support. I had to take off the plastic panels here, which were really tough. It didn't break these, but yesterday when I got home in the afternoon, the wind was blowing so hard and I heard a loud sound and I thought somebody had ran into my house. And when I came out, the wind was making the panels pop, like pop, 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 pop. And I didn't notice this pillar here. I noticed the rain gutter thing here was sticking way out there, so I tried to put it back. Really wasn't paying attention. It wasn't until I went to go pick up my kids at 4 o'clock that I noticed that this was way out here, was out to here. If you follow me on Instagram, you see I had a video of when it happened, when I noticed it. Because I was noticing when I looked down that the plastic things were bent, and I was like, why aren't they straight? Maybe the force of the wind popped them out, and that's why they're bent looking. It wasn't until I was leaving to get my kids that this whole thing was pushed out, and as you can see, it is all broken and destroyed. It's all cracked right here. This is like, comes out. I just slid it in there just to show it because these bricks were filled with concrete. I just put this in here just to not make it look so ugly. See what's over here. No, it doesn't want to stay. Anyways, that's how strong the winds are here in Arizona. This is 8 foot 3 inches tall, and I was trying to figure out how I was going to get this really heavy piece that was out here, but like I said, it was like a 45-degree angle, or whatever angle that is right there. And I got a big crowbar and I got underneath it, picked it up, and then pushed it as much as I could, and had my son hitting it with the sledgehammer. That's why these are actually broke. This was not broke when it was pushed out here. It was all still intact. This got broken by trying to tap it back in with the sledgehammer. And it's extremely heavy. It took me a long time, about an hour to get it to, because it's a lot of weight. I have to get the crowbar underneath it, lift it up, and barely move it. And this right here, it came over to here, then we had to hit it that way, and that's why this broke. And it wasn't going smoothly. And man, it's cold, 41 degrees. It is freezing out right now. So then I got it all the way back in like this, and then the wind was still blowing the whole time really hard as I was doing. As you can see, it is no wind today. I'm surprised that this isn't completely broke. Some smaller ones that are broken in there. But we got more winds coming today. They said that the rain and colder weather is only going to be a high of 55 today. I'm freezing right as I'm standing here. And I got it all back in, and the white panels were still attached to it, and just as I got it back in, a huge gust came and pop! It made a loud popping sound, and it shoved it out all the way back out there again. Completely back out here again. And then I just told my wife, I said, you know what? I'm going to have to take that white paneling out because it's like a giant sail, and this is completely dangerous. I don't want it during the night because the wind was blowing really late. But I went to bed 11:30 and it was still blowing hard out here. So I just told her I won't feel comfortable unless I take off these panelings and then get this back on here, because you know, they're like giant wind sails. These two are fine. These weren't even popping at all. They weren't even vibrating, nothing. It was just this spot right here. It was weird that the wind was coming in here and just whew. So now I got this dilemma here. I went to my mom's house to talk to Larry. He came over and looked at it, and he's like, well, I would just put a 2x4 right here to support this, and then I would just knock this out because there's a bar that goes up underneath there, and that way it'll support this as I knock this out, and then just put a 6x6 post there, wooden post there, to repair it, because it would be really hard to do blocks like this again, because I don't know, I just don't trust blocks again. But yeah, that's what's going on this morning, or yesterday, but this is what is going on this morning. Letting my car warm up as I freeze out here with no jacket on. But that's how strong the winds are here in Arizona. Crazy strong, and we got more winds coming this week, more cold weather. The next 3 nights they say it's going to be below freezing, so I'm going to bring the girls in at night again. And more rain for the next couple of days. I don't know what's going on with this weird weather. I'm actually really tired right now because, like I said, I got up at 4 because I couldn't sleep. I just woke up, couldn't fall back to sleep. Finally got out of bed at 4:30, and because I've been thinking about this all friggin' night. Apparently, that's what woke me up. But for right now, Larry said it'd be fine. That'll hold it like that for as long as you want, as long as you don't put those panelings back on. So I'm going to go to Lowe's or maybe Home Depot today, go check out some prices, and maybe see what it's going to cost me to fix this. I don't have any plans any day between now and the weekend to fix this because of the cold weather we're going to have and rain. So I would rather do it on a nice sunny warm day, but just want to get an idea of what it's going to cost me. Alright, I'm going inside where it's warm. Turn this off. This should be warmed up by now. Alright, I'm going to go walk on this bike path because it's way too muddy. I wanted to come see what this was over here. Somebody left a fishing pole and part of a jacket, it looks like. Guess that's where they were sleeping. It rained all night. I was expecting this morning to wake up to even more damage because of the wind gusts that we were having. The sun is trying to peek out, although it is gloomy. Got a bunch of people setting up to go bike riding. Here comes some bike riders right now over this bridge. I'm going to go for like a 15-minute walk and turn around and come back and then go over to Lowe's. Bunch of people over there setting up their bikes. Bunch of senior citizens. I'm almost a senior citizen myself. But there's the driving range. Home Depot is right there, but my wife texted me and said don't go to Home Depot, go to Lowe's and get the prices there. So let's get this walk in. It is freezing. It is 45 degrees right now. I've never walked on this path before. I've been on this bridge before, but I've never walked on this path before. Lowe's is right over there. You see, there's Lowe's. Should have wore a heavier jacket. I am freezing. I just got a little hoodie on. It is definitely cold. I don't know if you can see them. Two jet fighters flying over. Cold. Alright, I just wanted to walk to the bridge here and turn around and go back. just so I can get my morning walk in. I started at 9. It is 9:19 right now. So it's like almost a 20-minute walk, right? Gonna focus. Yeah, 9:19 a.m. Nice, fast, brisk walk. There's Dickie's. That was where we had lunch last Saturday. Dickie's barbecue. Yeah, and there's where I gotta go walking back. Those people setting up to ride their bikes, I thought they were gonna come this way, but I guess they decided to go the other way. And there's Lowe's over there. Alright, I'm going to head back to my car, and then I'm going to go to Lowe's. Oh, here comes a bicycle rider right now. And there's a train. Alright, next time I turn the camera on, I'll be back at Lowe's. Alright, let's go check out these prices in Lowe's. Look at this wrench. $105 for this big wrench. So this is what Larry said I should get. Oh my goodness, it's fall off. It's a pressure treated, water treated, whatever, and it's $26.99, 6x6 by 8 foot. I need longer than 8 foot. They don't have 10-foot sections here. Got them in 10-foot sections this size, which is what is this? 4x4x10. That's $18.47. I could cut this to the size I need. Let me go see the non-treated, because I have to paint it anyways, right? Got the green Doug fir for $21.75, 4x6x10. That's what this looks like. This is the 8 foot. Yeah, this is a 10 foot. 4x6x12 for $26.10. I don't need 12 foot. I just need 10 foot. That's the 4x6x10. They don't have a 6x6 in this regular style wood. $21.75. This one's $26.99. That's the only size they have in 8 foot. The 6x6. I would have to figure out how to raise 3 more inches. All I need to do is have it just sit on it. It's not really supporting the whole awning, it's just the end. Let's go look at the bricks, the blocks. Blocks are $1.35 each. I need 12 of them, and these are 8x8. So $1.35. So it probably would tax and everything about another $15 for these. Let me take one of these over to that wooden thing. Trying to get a comparison size. It's almost the same. I think this is overkill though. Let me get one of them smaller ones there. This is a 2x6 comparison. It fits inside of the block. Well, this comes in 10 feet. I don't remember how much this is. Let's go take a look. Because I'd probably have to buy 6 bags of concrete, which I don't know how much concrete is now. I already have rebar at the house, because I would have to fill this full of concrete all the way to the top. And I need 12 of these, plus the smaller half size. They don't have the half size blocks here. Let's see how much this wood is. $18.47 for that wood, the 4x4x10 foot. I would need braces for that. I'm going to see if I can find the braces. This is the brace for this 6x6. This is $31 just for this. So if I was to buy this, $31, and that $26.99, $27, you know, this would be more expensive going this way. I didn't check this other brace. I got to get this smaller one for that one. This is the brace for this one. This would be attached to the concrete, and then this would attach to the post. And then I guess you'd have to get 2 of these, so there'd be $10 because I need one for the top, right? To be able to attach this to the awning. So you got, if I go this route, I got $10 here. I'm thinking out loud. $10 and 18, 40, $20. That's $30. I don't know. I gotta figure out, talk to my wife. Maybe I can find me a railroad tie somewhere. Concrete is $3.25 each, and I would need at least 6. So 6 times 325, right? You got about 20 bucks there, 15 there. That's 35 just for the bricks and the concrete. You have fluorescent bulbs in your kitchen like I did. This is a good replacement. These LED light bulbs here, they're $9.58 here for a pair. 9-year lifespan. 2,000. What's that? 2,900 lumens. That's pretty bright, man. Give you a lot of money instead of having fluorescent bulbs. Yeah, $15.98 for this Stormtrooper LED nightlight. Huh, pretty funny. That's cool. Have them in the Death Star too if you want one as a Death Star. But I think the Stormtrooper one looks cool. To get one of these tools for shooting stuff into the concrete, they run from $28.48 to $44.93 to $198 up there. What's the price? $198. And they don't come with the bullets. You got to buy the bullets separate. They're like $4.28 each for a package. I've never used one of these tools before. I have to ask Larry if he even has one of these. He might have one. I don't know. Alright, well, I got to think about what I'm going to do. Actually, when I was talking to Larry last night, he told me you should just knock them all down and just build a brick wall up all the way across. I was like, man, Larry, that's a lot of money, man. I'm trying to do the cheapest route. See my newest little Batman thing I got here? That came with my eyeglass carrier. Little springy thing. Anyways, that's my time. It's time for me to go do some work and think about what I'm going to do. I'm not in any rush to repair this. Like I said, the weather's going to be bad for the rest of the week, and I'm not going to be working on it when it's got rain and cold and stuff. But thanks for taking the time to watch my videos. As always, remember to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. It don't cost anything. It's for free. Like always, thanks for taking the time to watch my videos. I'm gone. Get gone.